So I was reading about Rich Dad Poor Dad and Robert Kiyosaki. Whatever he says, already I have tried implementing. Still I am worried. And why so? That is because I am yet to have my products as productive, have my assets as productive. So I keep on investing in several ventures and I have been failing. And that is the only investment I make in my life about what I earn. A bit of it goes into investing into something which is supposed to be productive, but no, out of so many ventures, like say I invested in a house which is yet to be completed, so yet to be productive. And then I have a website which is now 5 years or more old, but it is it still requires SEO optimization, and hence it is still unproductive. So when I read Robert Kiyosaki and the having one each of your assets to be productive, I found that I have invested in lot of digital assets, and those are on their way to be productive. And there is some action point required from my end mm, to get them going actually. Some advertisement, some quality improvement, some digital improvement is required, and that is what remains to be done so as to get my products going. But the basic work that was required, that is already done. The initiation of having a productive assets, all those efforts have been taken, and so I'm just about to reach what where I intended to be. Well, I'm on my way, and I think it feels good when actually I read Rich Dad Poor Dad, and I totally agree about all that philosophy he has been saying. And time freedom is what mainly required. One should not work to earn, investing their time. So that is where most of us actually make mistake, and that is the red race. Again, uh, why we get into a red race? Because we fall into the greed of having a monthly salary, and actually drastically one cannot go, just cannot relinquish the job even if it is a red race. But slowly one has to get out of that red race. No, one has to find a mindset so as to invest the time that is required to have an asset going. Yeah. If somebody doesn't do that, how can one help? Even if one reads says 100 times they reached at poor dad and doesn't take any action. So for me, what I see in people is they kind of waste their money a lot. Second thing is, even if they invest in something, some products which are useless. Third is they keep getting into the same trap that life offers about uh, having to fall in line with others, whatever others are doing, so as to be accepted. And that is the biggest annoying thing for me. And it is not actually easy to be something very different, somebody very different. Yet one has to have that result to get out of that rat race, and only 3% people can get out, and they have that result. That is why only 3% people possess the 97% of the whole world's wealth. and one cannot actually blame them for having them, because they were the ones who had the result, had the tenacity to go through all that criticism they had to, and they remained different. And what else one can do while advising somebody about this? Only one can advise, right? One cannot do or force somebody to take up any course. It is your choice whether you take up Rich Dad Poor Dad's course of action, or be kind of get yourself disintegrated with the red race that you are in. What else one can see? I wish people pay heed to whatever I am saying, and it is not a very difficult kind of decision to do. It just takes a little of your action points, a little mindset change to get going in this track, and hope this helps.